Hi guys, this is Matthew again. You must be very curious what I'm going to bring you guys today. Yep, our new coming MK96. So, I'm going to unscrew this item for you guys today. Let's do it. Yeah, for making sure you guys can see the real image of our MK96, so we prepared two samples, one in white color and one in deep gray color. Yeah, you can see, and it is not metal case, it is plastic actually. Yeah, you can see it is deep gray, and this one it is pure white. So I'm going to disassemble this white one, and from the beginning we still would like to introduce the outside of this kit. This is a 95 keys layout and with a metal knob. This knob is for controlling volume up and volume down, and pulse. And here we can see it is south facing LED and with new stabilizers, and here we got anti-water silicone pad, and this is a super big knob. We can remove this, pull it out directly, and this is very interesting. We can divide this into two parts, and you can change this to other color like black color or gray color like that. So if you want to change it to other colors, you can just change this frame, and this is better. And here we got three indicators. This one it means it is charging, and this one it means Bluetooth, and this one it means cap lock. This is cap lock. Okay, and the back side we can see silicone pad 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is the adjustable lift. Same two height adjustable lift, and this is the labels MK96 and with RGB backlight, and this is our website. You can download all menus and software or firmware from here, and this is the code. You can scan this code and get the menus or software. And here we got a pretty cool design. This is a USB receiver storage actually, but it is with magnet design. Yeah, you see? Yeah, it goes inside directly. Yeah, pretty cool, right? It is super cool. Yeah. Okay, from here we can see this is a Type-C port, and this is on/off button. On/off button. And from this kit we can see it is pretty strong. It is super strong and with super big knob. Now I'm going to open this and see what we got inside. Yeah, first we remove this big knob, and from the back side, actually it is very easy to remove the cover. No need screwdrivers because there is no screws under this, so we just remove it. Yeah, I can use my finger very easy and remove this very easy. Yeah, like this, but be careful, don't break this. And this side, yeah. And if this is very easy for you to remove this, I can think you can use the tools. These flat screwdrivers. Yeah, very easy. Now we remove this. Okay, we can see the first layer. It is a steel plate, and this is the silicone. It is for absorbing noise. Yeah, first layer steel plate, second layer very thick silicone, second layer, and third layer is poron foam. This is poron foam. And fourth layer, this is PCB. Oh, we saw this PCB. So we're going to remove this. Here we got battery cable, and this is the cable for the knob. So we can remove from here. So just remove this very slow. Yeah, we remove this, and we remove the battery slowly. Okay, this is PCB, and the last layer, a very thick silicone again. And here, this is the battery, two battery. One is 3000 mAh, so this kit, the capacity is 6000 mAh. Yeah, that is what we have here. Okay, now we can see all the details inside. This is the case, and with two battery, 6000 mAh, and the steel plate, a silicone pad, and poron foam, and PCB, and the silicone pad again. And this is a cover, and this is a metal knob. Okay. So if you think these videos helps you a lot, please don't forget thumbs up for us. If you have any more requests, don't hesitate to contact us or leave your comments under this video. And you can find the buy link in the description part. Okay, thank you guys for watching, and see you again.